Hi there, this is our HZP Rotary tablet press, specially designed for high output and stable tablet weight. Turntable made of austenitic stainless steel. Max output 260,000 pieces per hour. Tablet diameter 25mm. The tablet surface is smooth and burr-free. Cutting-edge series adopts full Siemens PLC system. Servo motor control, automated tablet weight adjustment. Monitor each punch in real time. Automated reject unqualified by batch or single tablet. High tablet quality is ensured, even at high tablet pressing speed. Precisely control the tablet weight error to less than 2%. Powder circulation system. Materials are recycled, no remaining on turntable. Hydraulic stabilization system. PLC auto response, most stable tablet pressing. Truly intelligent lubrication, fully automated, no manual, independent progressive lubrication. High-speed rotary tablet press, welcome to connect us.